I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need a turbocharged car and basic mechanical skill. Once confirmed, park on level ground and disconnect the battery for safety. Next, locate the recirculation or diverter valve and inspect the dump plumbing. Make sure hoses are accessible. Then, remove the recirc hose or swap to a non-recirculating blow-off valve so compressed air vents to atmosphere. This is the first actionable step that starts producing the characteristic flutter when boost drops. Once the open BOV or dump pipe is installed, make sure all clamps are tight and vacuum lines are correctly routed so sensors read accurately. Then reconnect the battery and start the engine. Let it idle and listen for unintended noises. Make gradual throttle blips while monitoring boost on a gauge so you can identify the flutter window. You want quick pressure collapse. If flutter is absent, slightly adjust valve preload or dump geometry. Then repeat controlled runs until you hear a consistent flutter. You finish by torquing all fittings to spec, clearing any ECU codes, and performing progressive road tests across the RPM range so the flutter occurs reliably under real conditions. Make sure to log boost and wastegate behavior to confirm there is no harmful surge or overspeed. If problems occur, check for boost leaks, valve binding, or incorrect vacuum routing. And if the ECU shows errors, address sensors before continuing. Always ensure noise regulations are met.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.